Hi friends, here I have a great remedy for all kind of flus. This is a dry ginger powder. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and it helps to stomach, neutralizes digestive juices. Dry ginger powder contains thermogenic agents and that are useful to burn fat, and it also decreases all kind of flus. This is a tulsi. Tulsi uh, decreases cholesterol and also reduces risk of stroke, heart attack and other related diseases. It also relieves from headache and also effects on flu. And this is a ginger paste, and this is the black pepper powder. Black pepper has anti-inflammatory properties. This is a turmeric powder. It is a most active compound of curcumin, have many scientifically proven health benefits. It is a anti-inflammatory product. It also improves system of depression and arthritis also. And this is a cow milk. It contains vitamin B and also calcium. Mix all these. Take half spoon of turmeric powder. This cow milk is lukewarm. Add tulsi leaves by cutting like this. Add pepper powder, ginger paste, dry ginger powder. Mix all them together and drink it twice in a day. It helps to, this is a very good drink to kids also. It boosts immunity and also helps to improve your health properly. You can drink it twice in a day. Here we have another remedy for flus. Take a bowl and pour 1 cup of water. Add half spoon of omam, that is ajwain, 10 tulsi leaves, and allow it to boil. Now it is done. Turn off the flame and drink it twice in a day and stay away from all the flus. Thank you for watching my video. Stay healthy.